Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming essentials: your Xfinity username and password, a powered Fire TV, and the Wi-Fi credentials from your Xfinity gateway. Plug the Fire Stick into an HDMI port and power it on. Once done, navigate to Fire TV settings and open Network to scan available Wi-Fi names. Make sure you select your Xfinity SSID. If you use a separate router, make sure both devices are on the same subnet, so the Fire TV can reach the Xfinity login portal. Now you'll connect. Choose the Xfinity SSID on your Fire Stick and enter the Wi-Fi password exactly as shown on your router. If a captive portal or browser sign-in appears, select it and log in with your Xfinity username and password so the device gets authorized. Make sure the gateway's DHCP is enabled so the Fire TV receives an IP address. If range or compatibility issues occur, try switching to the 2.4 GHz band, which sometimes resolves connectivity for streaming sticks. Finish by verifying the Fire Stick shows a valid IP in Settings Network, and then open a streaming app to test playback. If you don't get an IP or streaming fails, power cycle the Fire Stick and Xfinity gateway. Wait 60 seconds before rebooting the gateway to clear caches. Make sure firmware on the gateway is current. If problems persist, try a factory reset of the Fire Stick only after saving your Wi-Fi credentials. This removes persistent configuration errors, but is a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.